Hi everyone, welcome to Airwoods. This is Fauna from team of Building Air Quality. As we know, the indoor environment plays a critical role in our life. As time with people spending more than 70% in indoors, so the indoor building air quality becomes more and more important in our daily life. Those indoor air content with VOCs, PM2.5, bacteria or virus do a negative influence to our health. In fact, there is a research shows that a better air quality with temperature, humidity, cleaning, and more oxygen in the building will improve people's sleep quality, cognition, and reduces the illness rate. Airwoods is the leading global provider of innovative Hvac products and building air quality solutions to the commercial and industrial markets. We are dedicated to help customers to improve building air quality, creating a better living environment. So, better building air quality, better life. Beside me is our office, and we would like to take our office as an example and show you how we work for office air quality. Now, my teammate Ken will introduce this part for you.
Hello my friend, this is Ken, and I'm going to show some design concepts of the HVAC system in our office. And let's put the office into a 3D drawing so that we can see everything clearly. So it is an office of 850 square meters with 52 meters long and 18 meters wide. And there are more than 30 persons to work inside. We set two main working areas here and a showroom in the middle. The conference room and manager room are at upper side, and canteen, gym room, and washroom at lower side, as well as two machine rooms at both ends to put the HVAC equipment. To create a comfortable, healthy, and productive working environment, a reasonable fresh air distribution way is very, very important. We use two energy recovery air handling units. We call it ERV here, each to serve half of the office. And we set the supply duct here as the green one you can see in the drawing, and the exhaust duct as the orange one here. And so that the fresh air would be introduced from the upper side and keep ventilating through the whole office and exhaust it here. So that indoor air will be placed and changed sufficiently and frequently. And so that everyone in each corner of the office could enjoy plenty fresh air. So let's turn to the beam drawing so that we can see it in another angle. And this is the beam drawing of the whole office. And another key point that we all trace for is high energy efficiency and low energy consumption. We take three solutions. Number one, heat recovery. You know, our office will work for more than 10 hours per day, and the summer here in Guangzhou is very, very hot. And during the working time, the energy recovery air handling units, the ERV, would recover the energy from the exhaust air and preheat or pre-cool the fresh air before sending it into indoor. And then, so as to reduce the indoor air conditioning workload, heat recovery will cut a great amount of the energy consumption of the indoor cooling system. And then, the second point is the variable speed fan control. In each of the room, we would set the fresh air damper here, you can see. And then the ERV will regulate its fan speed according to the feedback signal from the damper. So the fan's power can be reduced accordingly when the room is not occupied. And number 3, the VRF system. We use VRF system for indoor cooling and heating. Each indoor unit could be controlled separately so as to fit everyone's comfort needs without any unnecessary energy lost. In a word, the ERV ventilation system and the VRF indoor air conditioning system work together as an intercoordination by an intelligent control system so as to help us create a comfortable building air quality, while the energy consumption of the whole HVAC system is always kept economical and just right for the demand. Now, let's have a look at the control system. So here is the slim and small control box here. And you can see a touch screen here. And what we need to do is just to turn on the ERV one by one. Now, ERV number 1 and ERV number 2. And we can also read the indoor air quality from this control panel. As you can see, the office temperature and the humidity and the CO2 and PM 2.5. And now it is the VRF system. We just need to use a small controller. Done. Simple and easy, isn't it? So next, I'm going to have my colleague Johnny to show you the equipment. Johnny, please.
Hello friends, good morning. This is Johnny from Airwoods. Nice to see you. I think you have got some basic understanding of the VRF system and the fresh air system design through the professional introduction from Ken and Phonak. Now I'm going to show you the machine room outside the office. The machine room was built on a platform, so we have to take care when we stand on the platform in case of any dangerous, okay? So you can see the machine room is beside 2 sides of our office. So I'm going to show now. So let's go, okay. Okay, we are at the platform, the machine room. Okay, you can see there are 2 equipment. One is the outdoor unit. Another one is the fresh air ventilator, energy ventilator. First, I want to introduce the VRF outdoor unit first. Okay, this is the outdoor unit. We use the GMV series 6th generation of grill. I would like to show you some technical data of the outdoor unit. This grill brand and the cooling capacity is about 18 kilowatts, and the heating capacity is about 69 kilowatts. And you can see the China energy label. That means this outdoor unit is working with high efficiency and energy saving. Okay, let's move to the energy recovery ventilator. Okay, this is energy recovery ventilator we call it ERV. The ERV is not only for bringing the fresh air to indoors, but also can lower the VRF indoor unit power consumption. That means we can reduce the cost of electricity about 20%. So now I'm going to show some detailed information about the ERV unit. You can see this is exhaust duct. So this is exhaust outlet. The other one is fresh air inlet, and this one is return air inlet, and the return air duct this is supply air duct. Okay, so let's one by one of the sections of the ERV. So the first section, you can see the fan section. The fan section, we know just now, this is exhaust air duct. So this is exhaust fan. We use the EC fan for the exhaust fan for better energy saving. So I will open the service door to see the details of inside. So I have to use a key. It's very simple. It's very simple. Okay, it's very simple. Okay. Okay. So you can see inside. This is a EC fan. Okay, this is EC fan. And this one is electric box. This section is the plate heat exchanger section. Okay, I take the. Okay. Okay, it's very easy to open the doors. Okay, this plate heat exchanger, the material is aluminum profile. Okay, it's very easy to pull out. Okay, you can see, easy. The fresh air and the return air meet here and exchange the energy. Okay, so you can replace the heat exchanger core. It's very easy, and it's not needed to clean. Maybe some dirty outside this is the plate heat exchanger model. Okay, so I have to. Okay, let's move to the next section. This section is the filter section. We use G3 filter. It is washable, and we take it out and wash it every 2 weeks. So let's see. Okay. Okay. See, it's very easy to pull out. Very easy. The filter, the panel filter, it is washable. You can wash it and replace it. We usually replace a new one 2 months and wash it every 2 weeks. So if there's some dirty, we have to clean it. Okay.
对啊。
Okay, I have introduced some basic information of the ERV unit. This ERV unit, the supply airflow is about 2,500 cubic meter per hour. It's for around 30 to 40 persons, and we can customize this unit according to your project requirement. That's all of my introduction of the machine room. So if you have any project inquiry, we welcome. And thank you. So let's back to Fauna. Okay, thank you.
At Airwoods, we are dedicated to improving building air quality so that people can breathe fresh air in their office and home and enjoy a healthy life. By great innovation, our ventilator and air conditioner are able to work in an eco-friendly and energy-efficient way. Friends, if you have any questions of office solution or want to have our catalog or need help for your projects, please feel free to contact us. Air is intangible and valuable assets. It belongs to every one of us. Please join with Airwoods and join our team to create a better building air quality, better life.